Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you exactly how to move your Outlook calendar to the right side of the screen so you can view your emails and your schedule at the same time. This quick guide will save you a ton of time and make your workflow so much smoother. Let's get started. First things first, open any browser and head over to the Outlook website. You can just type Outlook in Google or go directly to outlook.office.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Microsoft 365 account using your email and password. Make sure your connection is secure, and if you've forgotten your password, you can always click the Forgot Password link to reset it quickly. After logging in, you'll land on your Outlook Mail interface. This is your main inbox view. Just to be sure you're in the right place, click on the Mail icon on the left sidebar. Now, let's bring up your calendar. On that same left sidebar, look for the calendar icon. It usually looks like a small calendar grid. Click it and your full monthly calendar will open up in a new view. Here's the trick to get it on the right side. Look at the top toolbar or side panel. You'll see an option called Split View or View Mail and Calendar side by side. Click that. Instantly, your Outlook will display your inbox on the left and your calendar on the right, all within one screen. Now, to make it perfect, simply drag the divider line between your mail and calendar panels. You can adjust the space however you prefer, more room for your schedule or for your emails depending on what you're focusing on. And just like that, your Outlook is now set up for maximum productivity. You can reply to emails and check your upcoming meetings, all without switching tabs. And that's it. You've just learned how to get your Outlook calendar on the right side in under 5 minutes. Super simple, super useful. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick productivity guides, and drop a comment if you'd like a tutorial on any other Outlook features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.